everybody, it's Rhonda, and this morning we're going to talk a little bit about New York's new law that goes into effect in like 6 days, okay? And what this is about is people who use AI in advertising. They want transparency. They want people to know that these are AI models or AI performers in advertising. They don't want you, whoever's doing the advertising, the company, whatever, they don't want you misleading people and leading them to believe that their actors or models are real people when they are in fact AI, okay? So it tells you right here, and this is just a quick overview. It says advertisers must conspicuously disclose the use of AI-generated synthetic performers. These are digital creations that appear as real, but are unidentifiable people in commercial spots. And your penalties are set at $1,000 for the first violation and $5,000 for each subsequent violation. And it takes effect on June 9th. So this is a big deal, especially for those of you who sell digital products, because selling digital products, we are unable to take real photos of our product in use, and we want to be able to show buyers how they can use our products. So a lot of times we use, AI generated models and mockups and things like that. So you need to be aware of this, that you need to disclose this. Now, I'm going to jump over here to this website here. I've been doing so much research on this the last several weeks. And it says right here that the statute requires that disclosures be conspicuous. It does not prescribe any specific language or placement. So, it's not really giving us a whole lot of guidance on how we have to disclose or where we have to disclose. It does go on to say, though, that in the absence of guidance, regulators will likely look to other disclosure standards, like those governing how to disclose paid influencer content, which generally requires disclosures to be prominent and unavoidable. So it needs to be disclosed in a way that people cannot miss it. All right. So there are different ways you can do this. I know as, an affiliate, we have to put advertisement or ad or affiliate or something, directly in a post or a comment or, with our image, things like that. So you're going to want to take this seriously, because if you are advertising your products for sale, then you are going to fall under this umbrella. You are going to be liable if you are not disclosing, okay? So we've been going back and forth in my community about different ways to do this, and a lot of us think the best way is to put like a small banner on our listing images, whether you're selling on Etsy or Shopify or Maker's Page, or you have your own website, WooCommerce, whatever. You're going to want to disclose when you are using a model that is AI generated, that isn't a real human. So what I've done in Render Studio, I have added some features here to our mockup generator to help you make your mockups a little quicker, help you get that disclosure that you're going to need. So if you come in here to Render Studio, into the mockup generator, and you want to create your mockups, I'm going to click on select multiple so I can select multiple mockups. And I'm going to select this one here, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to select this one, and we'll grab this one, and then we will grab a flat lay. Okay. And then I'm going to grab an image from my generation history. I think I'm going to grab this chicken, and I've selected all the mockups I want to use. I added my design. I'm going to click generate mockups. All right, now this one here is just a thumb. I'm not worried about that one. I don't believe that needs disclosure because it is literally just a thumb. That's it. That's all there is to it. This one here, you do have a little bit of the girl's face, and this is an AI model. So I would absolutely disclose on this one, and I would disclose on this one as well because this is an AI generated model. So when you have images in your listing that do contain AI generated models that you need to disclose, you can click this toggle here and it will put an overlay on, a little banner. And you can change the color of the banner to whatever you want. You can change the text color. You can change the shape of the banner. If you want it to be a circle, a rectangle, pill-shaped, you can change the font. So it's up to you. You can change the size of it. And then here you would just enter the text, which would be something like this model is AI generated. Something quick and simple, just like that, just letting people know that the model used here is not a real person. You can reduce the opacity here so it blends in just a little bit so it's not quite as intrusive, I'm sorry. And then you just repeat the process for any of the other mockups you are making that need disclosure. Okay, you can do the same thing and you can put it wherever you want it. Like I said, I'm just going to come over here. Oops, messed that up. I'm going to grab the text here and just copy it. Okay, and I am again going to make this smaller. I'm going to reduce the opacity just a little, just so it's not so intrusive, but it is there. It cannot be missed. Change my text a little. And once you have your overlays on here, your little banners letting people know that these are AI generated, then you can just come up here and you would download all of your mockups. And I'm going to say disclosed mockups. I can't type this morning either. So we're going to open that up and I am going to extract it so I can show you what these mockups look like now. Okay, so let me open this one up. And here it is, and you can see it says right at the bottom, this model is AI generated. And now you are compliant. You are being clear and you are disclosing in a conspicuous way that your AI, your models for your listing images are AI generated. Now, someone asked last night in my community, well, what if it's a picture of me? What if I take myself and add that to send that to an AI image generator and create mockups using my own image? Then you do not need to disclose because, it says in several different places that you are required to disclose if your model is a synthetic model that does not resemble a real human person. So it has to be, if you are using yourself, that's fine because you are a real human person. And even if you take your image and you upload it and let an AI image generator change your clothing, change how, what you're wearing to show off a particular design or something like that, that is absolutely fine because that is a real person. Okay. Doesn't matter, how you get that image into your advertisement, it's still a real person. So if you want to use yourself or you have a friend or, somebody, a model that you can take a picture of and they're fine with it, then you can use those, you can turn those into mockups and things like that and not have to worry about it. But if you are using images that are 100% AI generated, then you must disclose that, okay? And in Render Studio, all of our mockups, all of our models are AI generated, okay? So if I can get some mockups in here that aren't AI generated models, I will, and I will label them clearly so you'll know which ones are which. But as of right now, any model in a mock-up on Render Studio is AI generated, okay? So keep that in mind, that if you use mock-ups that we've uploaded, you will have to disclose. There are a lot, though, that are just, flat lays and things like that that you can use and you don't have to worry about it. But if you're using anything that shows a model, going to have to disclose. So that's just one thing I've done to try and make this a little bit easier. I'm not sure where Etsy is going to go with this. I mean, they are based in New York, so I'm assuming they are going to have to do something because they do run off-site ads. They do things like that. So, they're going to have to do something to comply with this law, but it's still up to you individually to cover your own butt and cover your own shop and make sure that you are disclosing where you need to be. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know. As always, thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.